Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another YouTube related video. I will be talking to you guys about how long it takes to get monetized here on YouTube, and I'm gonna break it down based on my experience and just give you a little review so that way you can get an idea how long it takes for you to get monetized. Before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. It is free, and also don't forget to click that notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And just so you know, I do post 3 to 5 days a week, so I would love to have you. Why not join me? And without further ado, let's get right into the nitty-gritty. So the question is, how long does it take for your channel to get monetized? First of all, YouTube requires for you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, that might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's not. You will be able to build those hours up and the 1,000 subscribers like that. Here's my tips on how to grow within 4 months. So for me, it took 4 months to get monetized on YouTube, which means, like I just said, I had to reach my 1,000 subscriber threshold and my 4,000 watch hours. I reached my 4,000 watch hours before I reached 1,000 subscribers. And I think I reached 4,000 watch hours when I was at 900 subscribers. And it was kind of frustrating because I felt like it was slowing down. After I reached my 4,000 watch hours, the 900 subscribers felt like it took longer, but I got there and I did get monetized. So that is number one. You do have to reach those two requirements in order to get monetized. And when you do get monetized, you have to wait for YouTube to approve you. So basically what they do is when I was able to get monetized, they actually send me an email saying that congratulations, you qualify to be monetized, something like that. And they will direct you to the page. You have to fill out some information that they ask you. You go through those 3 steps. There's like 3 steps. And then the last one, when you click it and you're done, it will say something like it will take a week to 2 for them to let you know if you qualify. And the reason that is that what YouTube does before they qualify you and they say that you are going to be monetized and you're approved to be monetized, they will go through all your channels and make sure they are able to be monetized. One tip I can give you guys is make sure that your content is clean and it doesn't have any copyright songs. Your videos will not be able to be monetized. So make sure if you are going to add some music in there that it's not copyright. That is very important. They don't qualify to be monetized because they have copyright music. I did use the audio from iMovie, and that's what I use to edit my videos, and it is free. If you guys are iPhone users, iMovie is free. It's an app where you can edit your videos. They will not pay you from the beginning. So if you posted a video a year ago and you got monetized today, they won't pay you for the views that you made a year ago. They will pay you for the day that you get monetized, you get approved. They will pay you from that day on. And trust me, there are some videos that in the beginning it didn't do well on my channel, and all of a sudden it like skyrocketed, which I was like shocked. I was like, wait, what? There was especially one that I did. It was like a flower wall DIY. And I think I only got like 120. I was so disappointed because I honestly thought it would do better, but it didn't. It was just nothing. But after I got monetized, I noticed that it started growing and growing and growing. And that's one of the videos that I'm always making money on every month. That's one of the videos that I always see growth. For me personally, it took 4 months to get monetized. And in my mind, that was my goal. That was my mindset. I told myself that in 4 months, I have to be monetized. And within those 4 months, I did grind. I worked really hard. I was posting 5 days a week, and it was always consistent. For everybody, it's different. Some people can get monetized in a month, some people in 4 months. For some people, it can take 10 months, a year. Number one tip I can give you guys, if you want to get monetized fast, It's so easy. I mean, it's not easy when you put the work into it, but it's very simple in that sense. Post as many videos as you can. Be consistent, be dedicated, and do your best. I think that when you do your best, it makes a difference, guys. And don't get discouraged when you make a video that you thought it was so awesome, and then when you post it, it ends up getting almost no views, and you're like, my gosh, if only people would see my videos, they would love it because it's so good and I put so much work and time into it. Don't get discouraged. Keep on going. I have said this in my other videos and I'll say it again. YouTube is not a gambling game. YouTube is all about hard work. What you put in, you get out. I would recommend that you post at least 3 days a week. I did 5 days a week because I just wanted to go hard and I wanted to get monetized really fast. And I did notice that the more you post, the faster you grow, because obviously you'll have more videos out there, more people will watch you, you get more exposure, and it just grows faster. If you are really busy, you're working and you can't film every day, post multiple videos in a day. Choose a day of the week that you're not that busy, that you know you're able to film, like, I don't know, 5 videos or 3 videos for that week, and then film them, edit them, prepare them, upload them, have them ready there, so that way you don't have to stress about it. And that's how I did it. I always posted about 5 videos in one day, and then I edit all of them, I upload them, I had them private, I had everything ready, and when it was Monday, I had my Monday video ready, made it public, and I kept doing that Monday through Friday, and that's how it worked for me. And guys, if I can do it, you can do it. I have 2 kids. I have a teenager that is 15, and I have a baby girl that is 1.5. And let me tell you, if you guys are moms out there, you know the struggle, you know how hard it is, especially with the baby. With my oldest daughter, it's obviously a lot easier because she's older, she's more independent. It's not like I have to run after her every minute and, make sure she doesn't fall. But with my baby girl, it's a lot of work and it's very draining at times. But my thing was, I had to make it no matter what. And at that time, my baby was smaller, obviously, but it's still a lot of work, because you guys know, like I said, if you're a mom, you know the stages of your baby and what you have to go through. When they're younger, you have to wake up in the middle of the night multiple times, and I'm a breastfeeding mom, so that was stressful. A lot of long nights where I was sleep deprived. When my baby would fall asleep, I would edit and upload, and sometimes a video would take an hour, sometimes 2, depending on what kind of video I was making. And I would stay up late to finish that video, to make sure that it's ready for the next day. I love what I do, but honestly, it is work. That is it. I really hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.